Jai Hind everyone. My name is Shivam Rana. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the very important aspect of your SSB interview, which you guys have been specifically asking me to make a video on. We are going to talk about how to improve your communication skills and get better in those before your SSB interview. So first things first, see, communication is not only important for your SSB interview, it is one of the most important aspect of your soft skills as well. And the communication is, believe me, communication is the key to most of the problems in today's world. Right communication can solve most of your problems, from making friends to getting promotion, to getting desired things. Communication can help you in all of these things. So first things first, see, you cannot have a magic spell. I cannot give you a magic spell which will help you to communicate better. Communication is all about practice. Communication is an art, and an art is always performed by an artist. And to become an artist, you need practice. So there is no miraculous spell. You need to practice communication a lot, and it is all up to you. If you want to be fluent in your communication, if you want to do the right communication, you need to practice. And I'll tell you, I can help you with the practicing technique, the right methods, how to communicate. But yes, the practice is all upon yours. So it is all upon you. Now, communication is a two-way process. It is not just speaking, it is speaking as well as listening. So as Aristotle said, you need to know your audience first, right? For example, whenever you are in stand-up comedy, there you do not require any words of wisdom. You require some humorous, some sarcasm, you require the words of sarcasm and humor, right? But when you go in an SSB interview, there you require and let us say you are guiding some aspirant, to give SSB, or let us say you are guiding your younger brother. There you require some words of wisdom. And when you go into a formal setup, then entire thing changes again. So yes, it all depends on the ambience of the place as well as on the audience who is listening to you. दैट इज द की टू कम्युनिकेशन. हमें ऑडियंस के हिसाब से अपने वर्ड्स को, अपनी टोन को, अपनी बॉडी लैंग्वेज को, अपने बोलने के तरीके को चेंज करना पड़ता है, राइट? यू कैन नॉट हैव द सेम वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन एवरीवेयर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू कमांडिंग मैन, you need to show some stress, you need to show some command, some authority. But whenever you're talking with friends, whenever you're talking with some elders, you need to show some respect. The tone entirely changes. This is the thing. This is the key to communication. To be a good communicator, you need to be a good listener first. And listening is the best form of feedback. If someone is listening to you, it means that you are doing the right speaking. And if you are listening to someone, it means that that person is also doing the right speaking. And listening as a feedback works. When you both are listening, then both of you get interested in each other's talk. So yes, listening is a very important aspect of your communication, and communication is a two-way process. Now, the second thing, it is just 10% of your words in communication. 20% is your tone, and 70% is your body language. See, body language plays a vital role in communication. I'll tell you why. If I will be swinging like this and talking to you like this, would you like it? No, you would not like it. This is the key. Body language plays an important part. When you are going for your SSB interview, you need to be firm, and you need to firm and disciplined with your body language. तुम्हें सीधा बैठना पड़ेगा, है ना? योर बैक शुड बी इरेक्ट, है ना, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द प्लेस, राइट? तो बॉडी लैंग्वेज प्लेज एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. इन बॉडी लैंग्वेज देयर आर वेरियस एस्पेक्ट्स लाइक योर फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस, राइट? अगर तुम थोड़ा सा चेयरफुल होके, थोड़ी सी स्माइल रख के कोई बात बोलोगे, इट वुड ऑलवेज साउंड पोलाइट, है ना? अगर तुम थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस डाल के चेहरे पे बात बोलोगे, द that thing will have more power of expression, right? So that is why your body language is very important. Now the most important aspect in your body language is eye contact. I'll tell you why. अगर मैं तुमसे ऐसे बात कर रहा होता, would you have liked it? No, you wouldn't have liked it, right? अब आई कॉन्टेक्ट जब हम एसएसबी में करते हैं, लेट अस से वी आर डूइंग आई कॉन्टेक्ट इन ग्रुप डिस्कशन, और लेट अस से वी हैव टू मेक एन आई कॉन्टेक्ट ड्यूरिंग लेक्चरेट. Now, during such kind of things, whenever you do eye contact, making eye contact with the audience which is like 10 to 15 people, है ना, हम as a leader तो तुम्हें इससे भी बड़ी audience है, with thousands of people you have to make eye contact at once. Is it really possible to make eye contact with everyone at once? No, it is not possible. So there is a rule which I use, है ना, this is my personal rule, that is the quadrant rule. Yes, that is the quadrant rule. What I do, I divide audience into 4 quadrants. Let us say this, if I am sitting in a semicircle and I am on the right end, and there are some people on this side and most of the people are on this side, I divide the audience into quadrant 1 up to 4 to 5 people, then next 4 people quadrant 2, then up to me quadrant 3, and these as quadrant 4. Now I don't have to make eye contact with everyone separately. Instead, I will just make little eye contact in each quadrant. 1, 2, 4, 3. It will enhance my communication. It will make my communication very effective. Eye contact is very important for power of expression as well as your body language too. Right now, the third thing is that there must be some legitimacy and authority of the speaker. So whenever you are speaking things, please speak right facts. Right, whenever you are stating some fact, state an example along it. It will increase your authority and legitimacy. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कुछ बोल रहे हो तो सही बात बोलो, ऑनेस्ट बात बोलो, और अपनी बात को सपोर्ट करने के लिए कुछ एग्जाम्पल भी दो. Right now, the last thing is your power of expression. Power of expression is very important. Someone is calling me again and again. See, हमारा माइंड और हमारी टंग सेम स्पीड पे नहीं चलती है. You need not to hurry again and you need not to hurry too much. Right, मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ. Our mind processes at a little lower speed, at least mine, than our tongue. तो अगर इन दोनों के बीच में एक मिसमैच क्रिएट हो जाएगा, दैट विल लीड टू नॉइज, एंड नॉइज इज एनी काइंड ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्शन विच विल मेक योर कम्युनिकेशन पुअर. राइट, तो जितना तुम यहाँ पे प्रोसेस कर पा रहे हो, जितनी स्पीड पे तुम यहाँ से सोच पा रहे हो, उतनी ही स्पीड पे तुम्हारे वर्ड्स निकलने चाहिए. इसीलिए तुम्हें बहुत जल्दी जल्दी नहीं बोलना है. अंडरस्टूड? इसीलिए तुम्हें बीच में पॉजेज लेने. व्हाई पॉजेज आर ग्रेट? पॉजेज आर ग्रेट व्हाई? बिकॉज दे इंक्रीज स्ट्रेस ऑन सम पर्टिकुलर वर्ड्स ऑफ योर कम्युनिकेशन. Right, whenever you need to stress on some particular thing in your communication, you need to take a pause. Right, this was the pause I was telling you about. Pauses are very important, and do not hurry, and let your mind process the thing, then only you speak. हरी करोगे तो खत्म है सारी बात, है ना, तुम्हारे पास वर्ड्स ही नहीं रहेंगे बोलने के लिए. Then keep a little smile, which I've already told you. See, these are some aspects of communication which I think I have personally improved. Now, methods how you can improve your communication. Right, so the first method which I use extensively is mirror speaking. मैं क्या करता था, आई यूज टू हैव दिस मैगजीन, दिस इज ज्ञानम. आई रीड दिस मैगजीन, है ना, मैं डेली इससे 3-4 टॉपिक पढ़ूंगा, एंड जो 3-4 टॉपिक मैंने इससे पढ़े थे सुबह, शाम को उन्हें एक बार रिवाइज करके बिना देखे फिर मिरर के सामने 15 मिनट तक लगातार बोलूंगा. मिरर स्पीकिंग हैज हेल्प्ड मी अ लॉट इन बोथ लैंग्वेजेस, इंग्लिश एज वेल एज हिंदी. You have to do this. अगर तुम इतना करोगे, you will see a significant improvement in your communication skills. Now, the second thing which I used to do is communicate with yourself when you are alone. Right? एक ही चीज की दो तरफा बातें करो. Right? Ask a question as a speaker yourself, then ask a question as a second person yourself. है ना? एक खुद से ही बातें करो, तो इससे क्या होता है? And do these things. First of all, see, हमारे अंदर कमी ये है कि we think of something in our local language. Let us say if you are poor in English and let us say you are fluent in Hindi, तो हम क्या करते हैं, we think in Hindi, then we translate it and then we speak in English. But अगर तुम खुद से बातें करोगे, then you will start thinking in English too, which will enhance your communication, because यहाँ पे processing speed बढ़ जाएगी, translation वाली चीज हट गई. Now, please enrich your vocabulary. Vocabulary enrich कैसे होगी? By reading. Start reading books, start reading newspapers, start reading editorials. नए नए वर्ड सीखो, उन्हें अंडरलाइन करो, एंड सिर्फ याद करने से काम नहीं चलेगा. पुट दोज वर्ड्स टू यूज इन रियल लाइफ. उन वर्ड्स को डालो अपने कम्युनिकेशन में. राइट, उन वर्ड्स को जब तक अपने कम्युनिकेशन में नहीं डालोगे, तब तक उन वर्ड्स का कोई फायदा नहीं, उन्हें रख के कोई फायदा नहीं है. सी, आई डोंट वांट यू टू बिकम शशि थरूर, बट एटलीस्ट आई वांट यू टू बिकम such type of communicator who can communicate his things to his rival company perfectly, so that lives of his men are saved in war, or in some uh, at some operational unit. This is all about communication which I wanted to tell you. And with this, I want to end this video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.